Look at these sentences. He said he was tired. She told me to sit down. They asked if I was ready. These are very common reported speech sentences we use in everyday English. Did you notice that these sentences have two verbs in them? Let us focus on these first verbs in each sentence. Now you understand that without these verbs, we cannot introduce the second part, which is called the reporting clause of these sentences. These kinds of verbs like said, told, asked, advised, requested, which help to introduce the reporting clauses are called reporting verbs. Let's look into reporting verbs for different kinds of sentences. Assertive sentences. They are normal statements. Reporting verbs are say, tell, admit, deny, promise, agree, refuse, etc. For example, she said that she liked chocolates. Interrogative sentences. They are questions. Reporting verbs are wonder, ask, inquired, want to know. Example, he inquired what to know. Imperative sentences. They are commands, requests, suggestions. Reporting verbs are asked, told, advised, suggested, requested, etc. Example, the teacher told us to open our books. Exclamatory sentences. They show strong emotions. Reporting verbs are exclaimed, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, etc. Example, she exclaimed that it was a very beautiful flower. Here we are moving on to real life examples of the reported speech, and you'll learn how to use reporting verbs appropriately in everyday English. At home, family talk. Mom advised me to wear a jacket because it was cold. Dad reminded me to lock the door. My brother promised to help me with homework. At school or college, the teacher told us to submit the assignment by Friday. Our friend suggested going to the library. The principal warned the students not to be late. Among friends, my best friend invited me to join his birthday party. She refused to lend me her notes. He agreed to practice English with me every evening. At work, my boss ordered me to finish the report. The colleague encouraged me to apply for a promotion. The receptionist asked me to fill out a form.
Open your books.
The teacher told the students to open their books. I don't understand this lesson.
The student admitted that he didn't understand the lesson.